Welcome to episode 4 of the LangChain Masterclass. In this video, we'll explore prompt templates, one of the most powerful tools in LangChain for designing reusable and dynamic prompts. We'll start with prompt template for single turn prompts, move on to chat prompt template for chat based multi turn prompts, and learn how to use dynamic variables to make our prompts flexible. By the end of this video, we'll apply these concepts in a mini project, maybe in this video or in the next video, and build a template based blog writer using LangChain. So let's start with prompt template. A prompt template is a single turn template that lets you define a prompt with placeholders for variables. And why do we use prompt template? Because prompt template makes prompt reusable and dynamic so that we don't have to write new prompt for every other input. Let's consider this example. Here we have a template variable write a short blog about topic in a style here. So these topic and then the style here are the placeholders. What we can do is we can create a new prompt using a placeholder where the template will be the same template that we've defined earlier, and then the placeholders will be defined using these input variables here. So to produce the final prompt, what we're going to do is we're going to use prompt.format and then provide the topic that we want and then the style that we want. So in order to generate another prompt from for some another topic or another style, I don't need to define my template as well as this prompt. I just need to invoke this prompt with a new topic and a new style. So the output for this will be write a short blog post about AI in education, which will be placed in this topic placeholder in an style will be informative, which will be placed in the style placeholder style here. So this will be our final output. Now let's move on to chat prompt template. So a chat prompt template is a multi-turn prompt template basically designed for chat models. What it does, it allows us to define system, user, and AI roles with dynamic variables. We've already talked about these various roles and various messages in our chat models here. We'll understand this with an example. We see that we have a chat template that is invoked from messages where we have a system message that says you are a professional blog writer, and then a user message which calls write a blog about a placeholder in a placeholder style. So to create a prompt about a certain topic and a certain style, we just need to invoke this chat template, basically call the format message function here, and then provide the topic and a style. So the output of this is going to be a system message which tells you are a professional blog writer, and then a user message that tells write a blog about this particular topic AI in healthcare, which will be placed in this placeholder in friendly style, which will be placed in this particular placeholder here. So if you have noticed something, what we have been doing is these two placeholders can accept dynamic variables here, and that's what we are going to talk about next. So dynamic variables allows us to pass values at runtime into our prompts. So example, all of these placeholders you see are the dynamic variables. What they do, they tend to make our templates flexible and easy to reuse across multiple tasks. Next, we move on to multi-turn prompt templates. So multi-turn prompt templates allows us to chain multiple prompts together in a conversation. Each turn can include a system, user, and AI message, and each can use dynamic variables. And multi-turn prompt templates are basically helpful in building chatbots, AI tutors, or workflows that require the context. So that is all for this video. In the next video, we are going to see a mini project basically titled as a template based blog writer, where we'll be using both prompt template as well as chat prompt template to generate blog posts dynamically. So I'll see you in episode 5.